Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing, the best tips and tricks and how you can actually skip the line because a lot of people are doing the same exact mistakes. First thing, let's launch the Pinterest app. The most important part that you want to focus over here is to look at high ticket offers and low ticket offers, meaning are you going to promote a more expensive item or little cheaper item. As you can see over here, there is someone who is actually promoting on the expensive side. You can see over here when you click, there is a Tudor watch, right? And very important, you want to pay attention that this is not what he is selling. When you click on the item, you will get a similar items and suggestions from Tudor. Okay, he could have created his own page where he can actually promote and link all of these. So important step number one will be to choose what niche you want to focus. Do you want to focus on the expensive stuff or do you want to focus on less expensive stuff? Because if you click over here, somebody is promoting a Tissot, right? Is the watch Tissot over here. So this is a very similar vibe, but this time around we do not have a $3,000 watch, but instead we have a $700 watch promotion, right? We have a Zara pants or whatever brand this is, and you have Adidas shoes. So they both look very similar, but they're targeting a different audience. So this is why it is very important for you to target the right audience. Don't try to target people who are buying expensive luxurious items and try to promote an Adidas or brands that are not luxurious, right? So step number one will be for you to target the right audience, and you want to make sure that everything is having a variety of choices. Look at this, for example, right? They even put their Instagram handle, so if you actually go on their Pinterest account, you will see that you hardly going to see any product, okay? You're going to see a lifestyle images. So the main point over here is that if you want to build your own brand, from time to time you have to publish posts that are without ads, without sales offer. So essentially you're going to gain trust and you're going to get the right people to follow you, people who are really truly interested in the same niche. Another example over here. So if you look at over here, this is something that I don't like. Why I don't like? Because this is a mistake what I mentioned earlier. They're mixing brands that are not usually associated with the same person. The person who is, buying a Hermes, beanie, is not the person who is gonna be wearing Nike shoes at the same time or Polo sweatshirt, right? It's not something that you definitely want to combine. Also, Cartier is pretty like old money stylish type of brand, right? It's not so expensive, but it's like it's giving you the vibe of mature person, which is not going to wear this, I would say North Face look like jacket with these shoes over here, the low toe Nike Air Max, right? It's not gonna be. So this is what I was trying to say, guys. You want to make sure that you are really focusing on the right brands, you combine the right stuff, and then everything will go smoothly. We will have no issue. Like for example, over here, right, you have a watch that looks like Patek Philippe. It is not. This is why the combination might be perfect, because they have a Lacoste, right? They have a Zara, they have a Reebok. Everything is like regular, normal brands, right? Nothing crazy. But if they put the actual Patek Philippe, this will be a bad decision, bad choice, because this is not the audience. But this brand I haven't heard of, might be a Chinese brand, I really don't know. It's not gonna make a perfect combination. People will not be really convinced to buy or even click on the links because they might think that you don't really know what they're looking for. So this is the pro tips over here, guys. Point number one, identify your audience, and point number two, you want to make sure that everything is aligned and everything makes sense. Don't try to reinvent the wheel and try to make things that are completely new out of nowhere, because most likely you're going to make a mistake. Just try to improve everything that already exists and it's working. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.